Y'all ready for this? Gee, heck yeah. Ooh, look how stretched those lines. You might want to switch your board. That's how you'd use fog. That's lines, dude. Heck yeah. Now, if you were gonna use this, right, you would work it like this. Get those closer to the board, the lines to make it thicker, easier it is gonna read, but then as that dent gets smaller, we move that board back further. Yeah, easy, easy. Watch the pulse pushing. If you're watching this and you're like, how come he's not using the light? How come you don't have him using the light? Well, he doesn't like the light. He likes this reflection board. Easy. I would hit that center a little bit more quicker because that soft tip is, it's not letting you be as precise. Turn that board out further. Now you're gonna get some more reflection. There you go. Work on that position there. Right. It's nice and slow, gentlemen. Good job. So we put some tape over other areas. Jordan can concentrate just on that little area that he's pushing. Great job. Little higher. Yeah, you see that little tiny bit of low there? And then you can see it on the fog right there. See, I see a big difference now. You want tape? I would like you to make sure that when you tape evenly. Don't let it hang. It should stay nice and even. You're almost there, dude. A little lower, drop it a little lower. There you go. Good job, we're getting there. Yeah, you can see that clear as day, dude. Okay, that's what you used, good. Oh, you just got a little bit of a low. Yeah, push out the fattest low that you can see, good. Good, now go for the bigger forward. Tip on there. Oh, heck yeah, let's go. And then we got just a bit left right there. Okay, harder. Okay, let go. Let's see what it looks like. Move your head. Ooh, you're getting close. Day 2, gentlemen. This is what it's like. These guys are friggin' doing really, really clean work. We'll check on these guys later on, but dang, really good work.